It's a pile up at Grizzly River Rapids. We're not sure how many casualties are here. You can see, like, everyone had to abandon. So. Do you have any survivors in there?
Wow. Ooh, finale.
You can see all the... You know what, I'm glad cannibalism was never suggested. You can see it was a terrible catastrophe. But all the water's gone from they've actually turned off the water in the rapids.
You know what? I don't know. I might get a free costume from the
There's all the people. Let's see them all.
This is definitely cray cray.
Up there.
It's an adventure.
See them all. Everyone's here. Unit 32 is...
Hey, Johnny, go.
Just go!
It's unclear how many people are missing or unaccounted for.
Really like it? Oh, I didn't even get to go down the wall.
Why don't you get behind us?
And there's... You can see that. There's the edge of it. The edge. You can see the shore. Should we get our fast pass? See all the people here. These people are just glad to be alive.
How many guys?
3.
3. This pass is good for up to 6 people to go on whatever ride you want except for Cars Land.
Oh, okay.
So here you go, guys. We just go straight through the fast pass line. How many here, guys? 4. Alright, guys.
This is a part of Disney that very few people get to see. Can I go? Very few people. There's ride control, audio. So down. Let's see, it's very... They're trying to keep it hush-hush. This is behind the scenes at the Grizzly River Rapids.
Johnny, do you want to go to the store again?
Sure.
It's only good today.
Really? That's generous of them. Sure. California Screamin' opens at 10:45.
We still have more to go.